Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to create checkered pattern in Blender. So if you would like to do it, we need to first create a plane. So I go to add, then I go to mesh and I select here plane. Now I select an object and I press S from my keyboard to increase size of this plane. Now I'm going to rotate some view, and after that I change mode from object mode to edit mode. Then we need to click right mouse button on a plane and go to subdivide. Now I click on subdivide here and I increase number of cuts to 10. Okay, after that I close this window. Now we need to go to material properties and we need to add new material. So I click here and I set base color to white. Now we need to change selection mode to face selection mode. Now we need to go to select and choose here Checkered deselect. Now we need to click on plus button to add material slot. Then we need to click new button and change base color to a black, so I will choose here this one color. After that we need to click assign button. It will let us to assign active material slot to selection, so I click on this one option and the color will be successfully changed. Of course you need to display this color on material preview mode. So how you see it is really working. If I helped you to do it, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel because it really supports my work. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching.